Here is how you can delete your eFootball account. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can delete your eFootball account on eFootball 2024. So let's start. First of all, open the game and log into your account. After that, you will come to the home screen like this. Now, in order to delete your account, simply go to extras on the top of your screen. Then after, tap on support. Now go to services and info. At the bottom of the list, you will find the delete user ID option. Tap on it. Now carefully read the details that are written on the screen. As you can see, the user ID deletion will be finalized only after verifying your identity. You will not be able to request an user ID deletion for 30 days after performing data transfer. The expected deletion date will be set to roughly 21 days after your request has been sent. So from these details, you can see that it will take around 21 days to delete your account after your request has been sent. Now during this 21 days period, if you try to re-log in with the specific account, your account will be relaunched and the deletion process will be cancelled. So after you agree with all these terms and conditions, simply tap on I agree to the above, then after tap on next. Remember that your whole account will be deleted, including your players, coins and GPs. So take your decision very carefully. So in this way, you can easily delete your eFootball account on eFootball 2024. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.